Welcome to our booth at the NAB Show 2026. So I'm going to introduce one of our very popular products, and it's the new and latest technology of our MV Audio 1.9. It's the 2-in-1 LED technology, and with the very high refresh rate, 7,680 Hertz refresh rate, and high contrast and high refresh rate, and we have the 90-degree design to form a different shape. And this product is very good for the staging design and also good for virtual production. And it's very lightweight, and we do not need any tools to make the maintenance. So this product is very popular and easy to handle, and can be a mainstream product for the whole industry, and it's very innovative. Thank you so much.